Bangtan Sonyeondan. Bangtan Sonyeondan. Are you familiar with this term? If you notice, the word in red letter is Sonyeondan. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to study about the word Sonyeon. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 239. Sonyeon. Sonyeon. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is so, and the second syllable is nyeon. Pronounce it with me. Sonyeon. Sonyeon. Sonyeon is the Korean term for boy. Again, this is the Korean term for boy. There is a word we have discussed before that is related to this, which is namja. But namja is more likely used as man, while sonyeon is more likely used as boy. And if you would remember, our previous word is sonyo, which means girl. And when you added n at the ending of it, it becomes sonyeon, which is actually boy. Again, please notice the distinction. Sonyo is girl, sonyeon is boy. How do we write sonyeon in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables, and let's start with the first one. To be able to write the syllable so in Hangul, we need to draw first a siyot character followed by the o character. And then for the second syllable nyon, we need to draw first a neon character followed by the ya character followed by another neon character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word sonyeon. If you still remember the word sonyo, this is almost the same spelling. We just need to remove the last neon of the second syllable. Now let's try to look into this familiar term. It says bulletproof boy group. Again, it says bulletproof boy group. The Korean translation of this is Bangtan Sonyeondan. Again, Bangtan Sonyeondan, which is more commonly known as BTS. Actually, the Bangtan part of the term Bangtan Sonyeondan actually originated from the term Bangtani. Again, Bangtani. This word means bulletproof. And on the name of BTS, this is just shortened into Bangtan. Now let's try to look into the second part, which is Sonyeondan. The Sonyeon part means boy, and dan means group. So when we say Sonyeondan, it means boy group. And when we added Bangtani to it, it becomes bulletproof boy group. So literally, the term Bangtan Sonyeondan means bulletproof boy group. So when you hear BTS or Bangtan Sonyeondan again, you already know that the literal translation of that is bulletproof boy group. And with that, you've just learned sonyeon. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 229 to 238. But don't forget our word for today, word number 239, sonyeon, which means boy. Word number 238 is sonyo, which means girl. Word number 237 is mal, which means word or speech. Word number 236 is amukotto, which means anything or nothing. Word number 235 is nara, which means country. Word number 234 is doshi, which means city. Word number 233 is 화장실, which means bathroom. Word number 232 is 졸업하다. This is a verb which means to graduate. Word number 231 is 년, which means year. Word number 230 is 여기, which means here. And the last word for our review, word number 229, 후, which means after. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Korean words.